Hey guys, welcome to the first lecture. In this lecture, we're going to be going over how to download and install Blender on your computer. So as you can see, I have gone to blender.org here, and all you've got to do is navigate to this page, and you should see this button right here. If you click this button, it'll take you to the download section, and it's pretty simple. You just go to the middle of this page, find the operating system that you have, and you have a couple of options depending on the tab that you choose. If you're using Windows, you're going to have two options here. One is an automatic installer, and one is going to download a zip file containing Blender in a folder. So if you're on a Mac, like I am, it's going to download that zip file. And keep in mind, if you've got a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system, you can pick either version here. And most recent computers do have 64-bit, so bear in mind that all this is going to do is speed things up when you get to the heavy modeling or rendering process. So it's not going to affect the simple things that we do in Blender, but it will speed things up and give you access to some extra features. So once you have it downloaded, it will come into a folder, then you can extract it, and you're going to see this. Now if you're on a Mac, all you have to do is drag this over to the applications folder and it will put it there. I've already gone and installed a shortcut here on my dock, so I would suggest you guys do the same. Put it in your start menu if you're on Windows, and that's about all there is to it. So I will see you guys in the next lecture.